In this tutorial, you learn how to capture and save a screenshot directly from the canvas. This feature allows you to create a static image of the exact layout, annotations, and slice positions you see on screen, making it easier to document and share. Clinical findings. The screenshot tool captures the full visible state of your canvas at the moment of clicking. This includes all loaded images, their layout and zoom level, active CBCT slice positions, any annotations such as markings, measurements, or text notes. The result is a static image, not interactive, ideal for documentation and communication. To create a screenshot, open the patient's canvas, arrange the images and annotations as needed. Click the screenshot button in the Canvas toolbar. DS Core automatically saves the screenshot to the patient's media library. Right after capturing, you'll see a notification pop up in the top right corner. From there, you can share screenshot immediately with patients or specialists. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.